Want to know which 3D printers will be the best in 2024? Check out our top picks, such as the amazing Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, which is great for both pros and hobbyists. So let's get started. Number 7. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer changes the way 3D printing is done by automatically leveling the bed with just one click and giving perfect results every time. It has a core XY structure that can move at speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second and a smart mobile app that lets you watch and control it from afar. Quick nozzle changes and a high-flow nozzle make it possible to work with a wide range of materials and complex designs. This printer meets all of your advanced 3D printing needs and comes with helpful customer service, including free technical support for life and a 1-year guarantee. Number 6. Creality Ender KE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender KE 3D printer is designed to be fast and accurate. It can print up to 500 millimeters per second and uses a CR touch sensor for improved auto leveling. It has a high-performance Sprite Direct extruder that can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and a lot of different materials, like Hyper PLA, PETG, and ABS. The stable design of the printer and its dual-fan cooling system make sure that prints are clear and detailed with little shaking. It is designed to be easy to use and has a touch interface that makes writing easier. This makes it a great choice for both new and experienced users. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D printer has a big working area and an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors to make sure it works accurately and quietly. A strong dual-gear straight extruder made of high-quality stainless steel feeds filament consistently and improves printing quality. It works with PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS, among other materials. For optimal Z-axis height adjustments, the printer has improved auto bed leveling with a non-contact sensor. It also has dual synchronized lead screws for stable and accurate printing. It also has a smart restart printing feature that makes things easier by letting print jobs continue after the power goes out or there are problems with the filament. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5's Pro Resin 3D printer stands out because it has a 10.1-inch mono LCD with a stunning 14K resolution that can show very small details as little as. High-speed printing is possible at speeds of up to 105 millimeters per hour, made possible by third-generation high-speed ACF film that makes printing more successful and peeling faster. The printer doesn't need to be leveled because it has moving platform technology and built-in sensors that adjust itself automatically for the best print quality. It also has a residue detection function and intelligent release technology to make it more reliable and reduce the number of failures. Its effective, replaceable carbon odor absorption system keeps the printing area pleasant. Number 3. QIDI Max 3 3D Printer. When it comes to printing, the QIDI Max 3 3D printer is great for both experienced and new users because it can go as fast as 600 millimeters per second and print at a big millimeter size. It has a strong all-metal frame and fully automatic balance to make sure it stays stable and accurate over time. For detailed, high-quality prints, this printer has advanced features like protected chamber heating and dual cooling fans that work with a wide range of high-performance materials. It also uses open-source Clipper firmware and QIDI slicer software, which makes it easier to use by letting you direct it from a distance and make changes. The X-Max 3 comes with a 1-year warranty and free technical help for life from QIDI technology. This ensures that customers get reliable and professional service after they buy the product. Number 2. Comgrow 3D Printer. With a printing speed of 600 millimeters per second and advanced auto-calibration features, the 2024 Creality K1C 3D printer sets new standards for speed. It is easy to set up and use, just like a current smartphone. It can handle different materials, such as carbon fiber, and has a direct extruder that doesn't get clogged. It can also print at high temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The printer has an AI-powered LiDAR and camera system for quality control and real-time tracking, which finds any problems with the prints quickly. It's a great choice for both speed and performance in 3D printing because it has better cooling features that make it easier to apply the material precisely and produce high-quality prints. Number 1. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon Combo 3D Printer. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon Combo 3D printer is a cutting-edge machine that can print in multiple colors and materials, giving you a lot of options for being creative. It has high-speed Core XY technology, which makes printing fast and accurate. With a 7 micrometers LiDAR resolution, this printer makes prints of very high quality. It also has dual auto bed leveling to make sure that every print work is more consistent and reliable. If you want to buy these products, then go to the link in description and buy easily. Our list of the 7 best 3D printers in 2024 takes you to the most advanced levels of technology. These printers offer everything from ultra-fast printing speeds and high-resolution detail to cutting-edge features like auto-leveling beds and AI-enhanced tracking. These models are reliable, fast, and good enough for a wide range of projects, no matter how much you know about 3D printing or how new you are to it. Use machines that are both fast and accurate to help you be more creative. These machines can handle all of your printing needs. To stay up to date on the newest 3D printing technology, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.